I am the HVAC Repair Guy with 17 years in the field and a background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today I am comparing two heat pump systems, the Amana ALZT7C and the Coleman HC19. The Amana ALZT7C features a heavy-duty louvered coil cabinet that shields the outdoor aluminum coils from hail, debris, and stray balls. The Coleman HC19 does not, leaving the coil surface more exposed to impact. Both units are manufactured in the USA, but Amana gives you that extra layer of physical coil protection at the pad. The Amana ALZT7C carries an HSPF rating of 8.2, while the Coleman HC19 is rated at 8.1. HSPF, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, measures how efficiently a heat pump converts electricity into heat over a heating season. The 8.2 versus 8.1 rating gives a slight efficiency edge to Amana, but both sit in a practical mid-tier for winter performance. Both systems use a two-speed compressor rather than single-speed or variable speed, allowing lower capacity on mild days and full capacity when needed. Two-stage compressor operation with matched fan speeds reduces hard starts and stops while tightening temperature control and extending equipment life. Manufacturer noise specs put the Amana between 71 and 75 decibels, while the Coleman rates between 66 and 73 decibels. The Amana ALZT7C is manufactured by Daikin Comfort Technologies in Texas, while the Coleman HC19 is manufactured by Bosch Home Comfort. Installed pricing ranges typically show Amana between $9,500 and $14,000 and Coleman between $9,500 and $13,500. Both brands offer a 10-year parts warranty and a lifetime compressor warranty when installed by a qualified dealer. Amana also includes a 10-year unit replacement warranty for compressor failure, whereas Coleman offers no unit replacement coverage in the spec data. My honest recommendation is the Amana ALZT7C for its louvered cabinet, factory compressor, sound blanket, and 10-year unit replacement warranty.